Hello, recruiter. Welcome to Kalibrr. In this video, you will get an overview of how to use the Kalibrr platform to help find your next hire. You'll be learning the basics, from managing your Kalibrr account, setting up your company page, to finally creating your first job post. Let's get started. First, you'll learn how to set up and manage your Kalibrr account. Log in by going to www.kalibrr.com and clicking on Sign In on the upper right corner of the website to bring up the login page. There are 3 simple ways to sign into your Kalibrr account. You can manually type in your email address and password, or sign in with your Google account or Apple ID. You can tick the Remember Me checkbox to skip logging in the next time you need to check on your job post. Here's a tip. We recommend using the Kalibrr platform on web browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox with a minimum internet download speed of 1 megabyte per second. While we are a mobile responsive platform, most of our recruiter features work better on a desktop web browser. Once in, you'll be redirected to your jobs dashboard where you will find all your job posts. On the top navigation bar is where you can find your messages, notifications, and a drop-down menu for things like your account and company page settings. To manage your account, click on your name on the upper right corner to reveal your account settings on the drop-down menu. Here, you can make changes to a lot of things, like your name, login email and password, and mobile number. We recommend updating your default password to ensure the security of your account, and verifying your mobile number so that you can send and receive SMS notifications on your job post from your dashboard. Remember to hit Save after making changes to your account settings. Next, let's set up your company page. Your company page is like your company's public profile on Kalibrr. It includes your job posts and reflects what candidates need to know about your brand when looking for a job. An attractive company page can help you get more applications. To customize your company page, click on Company Settings on the drop-down menu when you click your name on the upper right corner. Fill out all the relevant information about your company, such as company logo, photos, office address, website, and description to help build your company's credibility on the platform. Upload a high-quality company logo in JPEG, PNG, or GIF format that's at least 400 pixels wide and no larger than 2 megabytes in file size. Add more brand personality to your job posts and company page by uploading banner photos to your job posts. Make sure your banner doesn't have any contact information on it to comply with our policy. By default, Kalibrr randomly features a banner from your job posts to show as your company banner on your page. To change this, you can upload your own image in JPEG or PNG format following a 900 pixels by 300 pixels size dimension. Add a company description that is clear, concise, and shows off your team's personality and values. Here you can share your brand story, a mission vision statement, or even a brief anecdote on how the company started. This is a great space to show candidates why your company would be a great place to work and build a career. Add an active link like your company website where candidates can learn even more about what you do. It's important to fill out the necessary fields on the company page with complete and credible information to ensure the approval of your job posts. We do not recommend including unnecessary information such as your contact details and other external links in the company description, or adding a dead or inactive link to your company website. We want to make sure your company looks professional and trustworthy to ensure a high-quality application. Once you're done, hit Save. Voila! Your company page is ready. Now that you've set up your account and company page, let's create and publish your first job post. Click on Post a Public Job on the upper right corner of your jobs dashboard and you'll be redirected to the job post creator. Here, you can fill out all the relevant information on the position you're hiring for. To make the most out of your hiring experience, you'll want to optimize your job post so that it can reach high-quality candidates. Based on our data, a well-written job post can increase your chances of getting the right candidate by as much as 10%. That's because properly filling out your job post ensures you get the most out of Kalibrr's job matching artificial intelligence. Every piece of information you enter is used to match you with the right candidates. There's a lot to cover on our job post creator, but for this video, we'll focus on covering the required information you need to successfully create a job post. Start by choosing a job title. You'll want to use something that's easy to search and is familiar to candidates to attract the right ones. You want your job post to be searchable and remain top of mind. Select an appropriate job function. Kalibrr has a list of job functions and industries for you to choose from. Picking the right one gives candidates an idea of what industry or field they'll be working in, resulting in better matches for your job post. Indicate the position's job level to help candidates set clear expectations about the job and the corresponding compensation and benefits. Indicate whether the position is full-time, part-time, or an internship to clear up and lessen misunderstandings about the role. Candidates can be quite specific about this during their job search. Don't forget number of people you're hiring and set the date of the deadline of the application for your job post. Determine the position's minimum educational attainment, qualifications, and experience. Being specific eliminates unnecessary inquiries and unqualified candidate recommendations for your job post. Your job description is the most important section of the job post and shows candidates what to expect in the role you're hiring for. Write 3 to 5 sentences describing the nature of the job and other responsibilities. You can use bullet points starting with action words expressed in the present tense to clearly show what each responsibility entails. Your job description should be concise and easy to comprehend. You want to immediately capture the attention of candidates without losing their interest over a lengthy description. Here are other things to take note of when writing your job description. Indicate the location of your office or where they will be reporting. Candidates will want to know how near or far they'll have to travel to work if hired. If the position is remote or can be relocated, tick the necessary checkboxes. Finally, hit Save before clicking Publish Job Post at the bottom of the page. Failure to successfully publish a job will move your job post to the Drafts tab on the Jobs dashboard. Your job post will be reviewed within an average of 4 business hours to ensure that it complies with all our platform policies. An error notification will come up if you have already exceeded the number of job slots that you have availed. You can reach out to your account manager or to success@kalibrr.com to get additional job slots. That's it for now. We hope this video helps you with starting your hiring process through Kalibrr. For more information, tips, and tricks to using the platform, be sure to check out our video on sending invites using the platform. You can also register and schedule a Kalibrr Academy session with us for a more hands-on session on Eventbrite. You can email us at support@kalibrr.com for any additional questions and concerns that you might have while using the Kalibrr platform.